Now that we put that on, pressed everything out, now we're gonna put the front and the back together. Got the two front pieces pressed out. Now, about to put the two front pieces together. With the front and the back. Gotta put the front and the back together. Halfway done now. The shirt at least. Let me pin all this up. Now let's cover these slits up. These slits right here, what you want to do is use these to cover that up. Bow, that's one. Also, I zigzag the slit stitch so it don't come apart, so I'm free while I'm doing this. See, you see the sides right there, see how that's fraying off? It'll keep on doing that if you don't overlock it up.